Welcome to Fit with It. Your ad free. This I don't know if you've got to shout that out to the user every time they start it. Basic timer. This is decent, I would say. Okay, so the custom time has been done for now. Done. Let's add different sounds, accept all these changes. Yes, this is a very stupid, small bug. Not even bug, just suggestion it gives every time. Now though I do need to go somewhere. Pixabay or maybe what is it called? Free sounds. Copyright. No copyright. Yeah, Pixabay is one thing. Freesound.org. Pixabay. Damn, this is cool, but random sound.